This is the Golden Tarot deck by Kat Black, not to be confused with another deck of the same name by someone else. My deck came in a rigid telescoping box with gold gilded edges on all the cards, which gives the set a really luxurious look and makes it feel special from the moment you open it. Even the card backs have a symmetric pattern, so you can read reverse cards without giving anything away. The rather large illustrated companion book that comes with it doesn't just give upright and reverse meanings, it also discusses the sources of the art and how Kat Black chose and combined the elements, which helps you see the symbolism in a new light as you work with the deck. From an artistic standpoint, this deck is one of my favorites. It provides a rich and original tarot experience because of its collage-based imagery pulled from European masterworks from the late Middle Ages to the early Renaissance, which have been reworked via digital collage into tarot card compositions that feel timeless, expressive, and deeply symbolic. Honestly, it's a stunning deck. It follows the 78 card Rider-Waite influence structure, so it works beautifully with traditional spreads and interpretations. The imagery peers through history to see emotion and narrative in faces, gestures, and classical scenes that echo centuries of artistic tradition. I'm so impressed with how Ms. Black matched historic art pieces to tarot meanings. The cards have a sumptuous painterly feel that's almost like holding tiny museum pieces in your hands. Figures from illuminated manuscripts, frescoes, and Renaissance paintings are blended to create scenes that feel kind of rich and dramatic and evocative. The use of real classical imagery gives each card a sense of depth and gravitas that's pretty rare, I think, outside of very expensive decks. Physically, the cards have a beautiful cardstock. They're a generous size, and the gilded edges catch the light beautifully. And the art reproduces clearly with bold texture and color richness. The only minus for me with the cards is that they have a glossy finish. Much as I love light reflection, ultimately I personally prefer a matte look in my cards, even ultra matte. This is surprisingly a little above average in price point, especially for a mass-produced deck, but for something that feels like a bridge between tarot and fine art, this treasure is worth it. If you love history and art and tarot, this is the deck for you. Recommend.